want to get my family ready for anything on a weekend, and you want to send me query.
Having soups and stew in a Nigerian home, even abroad sef, you don't blow with that. Because there are days you definitely don't have it all figured out. It's when you wake up in the morning, you know that this is what I want to do. This was the beginning of a mid-term break, and I wasn't having it at all. I just boiled yam, stew, and egg for their lunch. And that was it. I was scrolling around Instagram, and I saw a nanny post that said her nanny is pregnant. And it brought back memories because in my 7 years of marriage, I've had over 11 people as nannies. Please follow me and laugh. Let's know your nanny gist in the comments. Because it's not as if that most of them, some people will come and stay 2 days, some will come and stay 3 days, and they tell me my house is not comfortable. Or is it the one that was pregnant that wanted to come and pin it on me? Hey God, you can imagine. Oh boy, this nanny thing, I don't know when we'll get over it in this country. Because people just want, as nannies, they don't stay like how, like back in the days, if it makes sense to you. Because I know that we stayed with 2 people when I was small, and they stayed for years. Can't even remember, as in I've lost count. And till today, we're in good communication with those people. So tell me, what's with people of this generation? Everybody just wants get rich syndrome. Okay, let me just you guys about the one that was pregnant, sha. Okay, normally now, you know that you do test before they come. The likes of HIV, pregnancy test, hepatitis B, and the likes. So the girl was already in my mom's place, and she was ready to come. One thing just told my mom, okay, go and bring this girl's results here before you proceed. Normally, she would just send on a norm. Before now, she used to send the girl down before the result now comes out. But that day, she said she didn't know what just touched her. She said let her go and pick the result. She is almost on their way going. So my mom picked the result, and lo and behold, PT positive. She called me because prior to now, they've already sent me. Mom has already sent me the girl's number. We've already spoken. She said that she's happy to come to my house and blah 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 blah, blah and all that. We don't know that the happiness was because of she had something. So mom still picked up the result, and it was positive. She called me and told me, check out there's one on the mountain. And I was like, which one on the mountain is this one now? Said the girl cannot come again, or rather the girl is not coming again. I'm like, what happened?
Bye. Mommy mode, career woman mode activated. Off to work. Yes, I'll chat to you guys later.
And I'm like, what happened? She was like, the girl is pregnant. And the girl was not telling my mom that, mommy, I want to go and stay with Auntie Chika in Port Harcourt. I was like, what's your plan? You go to stay with her how? With what? As a pregnant lady or as a pregnant... Oh boy, that was just how that chapter of that one ended. And I've had people that ran away from my house. I've had people that come to my house and tell me that my house is not comfortable. I have the one that will tell me that she drinks only dispenser water and whatnot. Oh boy, it's not easy. The search, people that have good helps, I consider that a blessing. Because it takes the grace of God to get the good ones. And the ones you now get and feel that, hey, that they are now a bit reliable, will now start messing up. According to my husband, they don't gain ground now. That's when they'll come and start messing up. So, it's not just, it's really not just easy with staff, with domestic staff. Because tell me how somebody, you feel that, hey, you've let into your space, you do everything and anything for this person. It's either that the person is stealing, or the person keeps on lying, or the person just tries to provoke you unnecessarily. I know that, yes, there are things normally. There are things that you really can't do without. If it's all the normal thing, hey, maybe I sent you to do something, you say, hey, you forgot, and blah, blah, that one day. But when it becomes constant and when it becomes the norm, I want to say, Madam of the house don't send you message. No. Oh boy, that was just it, man. Talking about nannies, you really can't talk about domestic stuff enough because the hitches are just everywhere. So this was just basically packing lunch on this day. I didn't have a strength. As you can see, I ain't got strength. Do you know that my daughter called me from school and told me that she doesn't like this barilla pasta because it was just my first time making it. When I gave birth to my boy, that's when I knew that men could eat. This boy ate everything. This girl called me and told me that she cannot finish. Well, when she came back, she finished it. Because in my house, you don't need to select food. You don't tell me, Mommy, I don't want this. Anything I give you, you take. Okay? So, how do you balance? As a working mom, I really can't do without domestic stuff. I'm trying to watch what we do. So now I'm cutting down my meals. Don't worry, very soon the workout will start. Just stay close to the channel. So this is just basically what I took on this day. And my mornings are very chaotic. My mornings I'm rushing. You see that I'm shouting, get ready, or they'll be beating and be crying. Bro, you got 2020 in all your tests today?
Yes, but that's one that I failed.
Why did you fail one? Get down, let's hear you. Why did you fail? Get down now.
Mommy, the teacher said that about the police. They sent the day to you and you should buy
I should buy police what?
clothes and
What are you doing with police clothes?
I don't know. I've already asked my teacher.
When you go to school tomorrow, ask her. Your mom wants to know the reason why you need a police outfit. Did you hear me?
Okay.
Stop! You spoiled it.
Say that we're doing a cariva.
In what?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Cariva. These school people will not kill me. Cariva. Which one is cariva?
I cannot pronounce it.
You can't pronounce it. Okay. I'm back from work. Career woman ended. Mom life.
I mean career.
Career.
But me when I'm
Later,
doing only police.
Days later, my routines are just simple. After work, it's either I stop by to get 1 or 2 things, depending on what I don't have at home. If I have anything I want to make the next day at home, I will continue. But if I don't, just like on this day, I wanted to get egg. What again? And few things, so I stopped over at the market.
Now, Odogu woman. Now you be Odogu concern. Odogu concern, no. Give me egg. Give me better egg. Egg on it.
Sisters,
You know they ever come down.
we don't cost now.
You go tell me say it never cost.
They cost now, but I think they give you 6,000 as my woman.
Give me now.
How much a kilo of egg?
So I have 6,000, 6,500. 7,500 is here.
I don't have been there. You know they come down. And this one looks so brown like that. This one. I put on there. Take it.
One time.
Don't complete. Give me now.
I like this your gun.
You like my gun?
I will follow you go out.
Follow me go outside. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you will carry on. Thank you. Oh boy. How you dey sell bell pepper?
What is it? Select and price.
I saw select and price. How much be this one?
Which one? 1,000.
For one?
Yes.
Not dey even spoil. Which one be 500? No, give me 500. I want cabbage.
This size or small size?
Small size.
Which one is it?
How much be this one?
1,000.
This one is 800. This is the one I want. I got the photo. Only. I brought size like in your one. Don't forget the one. Not before. Sorry, today go. No. 2,000.
2,000. Nurse. How was your plantain yesterday? Don't chop and finish.
I won't make him give you. Thank you.
Ourselves. Why do we hate ourselves? Today is Saturday and I actually work on some Saturdays. This is Saturday. You expect me to be at work before 8:30. Like I don't need to get my family ready for anything on a weekend. And you want to send me query. Oh, why do we hate ourselves? In a workplace, you see your madam will be hating on you maybe because you dress fine, you dress better than she does, or you eat good food, you look good more than she will just be envying you for no just reason. Please, these women supporting women, they need to raise the volume higher, because it's really a lot. There are days that you can, as a mom, you can do it, you can go all out. Today it's just currently past 12. I've gone to the market. I didn't cook shit. I went to the market and then I bought a lot. After that, I went home refreshed. I went to work. I'm done with work. Now I'm at the store. I want to pick up a few things. When I finish, I'll get home. I'll cook. After cooking, I want to go and see someone that gave birth. But I want to just talk about this thing here. These women, it's not as if they didn't give birth on the job. It's not as if she didn't get pregnant on the job. But because somebody else gave you all shades of not a pleaser, as in someone just was throwing shades at you at your own level when you were pregnant, when you were nursing your children, as when you were still nurturing them, and you now feel it's okay to pass it down to somebody. It doesn't make sense. You don't recommend somebody for promotion because they don't recommend you. Because make it make sense to me. I really want to understand. Women supporting women, we just hate ourselves. You see somebody for no reason, just the person's appearance alone makes you angry. Is that not witchcraft? Someone should tell me, as in, I need to understand. Is that not just witchcraft? If you like, do me any mail, send anything. Everything was okay. It's not like anything was bad that I left unattended to. Everything was fine. That was why I had to say, okay, let me go to the market and get something. Because by the time I am done with work, the sun will be out too much and you can't find me in the market once it's past 8 o'clock. I go to the market from 7 to 9. I'm done. So when the sun is out, scorching, you will come and be suffering. Oh no, I double for those people that stay outside. It's not my fault. I'm a soft girl. If you don't want to be a soft girl, don't be a soft girl. Your kids are in the boarding school. Yes, my children never reach. I'm still nurturing them, and you're telling me this. Everybody, Morocco, with that being said, I've actually come to the end of this vlog. If you can relate to what I just said now, if women are not, we don't push ourselves the way we should, and it doesn't make sense. You just be hating in fact, you know this person's itinerary, you know how this person is at this point in time, and you keep on coming, hey, why you not this, why you not that, because you feel you're advantaged, or because you feel your kids are all grown or something. I beg, just drop your 2 cents in the comments. I want to know. And what can we do better? What's the solution? Look, I'm at the mall now. I want to go get few things. If you like what you watched, or you love motherhood content like this, and you want to see more, you should consider subscribing, so you'll be among the first set of people, and turn up the bell notification, so you'll be among the first set of people. Sorry, I'm calm now. So you'll be among the first set of people that will see my video whenever it comes up. I upload weekly on Sundays and shorts. I want to start uploading shorts Tuesdays and Thursdays, so look out for that. See you guys later. Bye.